VEVOR is at it again. That's right. In this episode, we're going to show you guys a heating pipe that you can essentially use to keep yourself warm, right? Technology. Hey everybody, what is up? And welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at the VEVOR piping heat cable. That's right. This thing has 7 watts of power to keep you warm and to allow you to do some really unique heating setups. It even has a built-in thermostat. So as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and a test. So let's dive into that. Hey Brad, open the box.
All right, so we've got a cool pipe warmer by VEVOR. This thing's pretty sweet. Right out of the box, we have the product itself and your paperwork. So this is a pipe heating cable for residential pipe. It's going to be really awesome to keep your pipes warm instead of busting during the winter. This is definitely the tool to use. So we have where it plugs in right here, and you take this part and that will actually bend. You can wrap it. So you can wrap this around your pipe, plug it in, and it will heat up and keep your pipes warm. So we're gonna go show you how to use it and give it a product test.
This is the VEVOR pipe heating cable, and this one's about 6 feet long and has 7 watts of heat tape for pipes with built-in thermostat. You can protect the PVC hoses, metal, and plastic pipes from freezing during the winter. It's just an awesome combination. But some of the details are, you can beat the winter. That's right, treat your pipes right and stand up to the harshest of winters. A small investment in a pipe heating cable and a high return in protecting exterior water pipes from freezing. You can use it in the RV, basements, garages, gardens, crawl spaces, pump houses, water tanks, outdoor hydrants, pipe valves, faucets, and more. Perfect for water-filled pipes such as PEX, PVC hoses, and metal pipes. It's UL certified approved. The pipe heat cable has 7 watts per feet and has rapid heating. It only needs 2 minutes to heat up to the temperature above 70 Fahrenheit and keeps your pipes protected from -100 Fahrenheit cold temperatures. You will never have an issue with a frozen pipe again. And it's IP68 waterproof. Its premium built-in thermostat allows the accuracy of within 1 degree range. The heat tape for the water pipes automatically turns on at 43 Fahrenheit or 6 Celsius and stops working at 55 Fahrenheit or 13 Celsius. And with their high strength injection molding thermostat, it's more secure to use. Now this one's about 6 feet long, but they have multiple options so you can find the one that's right for you. But it's super easy to use, so you just put the heat tape on as a protective suit for your pipe and you're good to go. It's convenient and smooth installation. It's pre-assembled right out of the box, so you don't have to set anything up other than putting it on a tiled installation platform. So you don't have to cross it or overlap it. The thermostat and the entire heating cable should remain fully in contact with the pipe, but other than that, it's super easy to install because it's flexible. So if you don't want your pipes freezing and you need a little bit of range to kind of set everything up the way that you need it to be custom, to be flexible, then the VEVOR heating pipe is definitely for you. VEVOR, you've done it again. You've made so many awesome random products that use heat. It's pretty awesome, from t-shirt presses, the hat making presses, to this heating pipe. So guys, keep it up. And we wanted to give you guys a huge shout out for sponsoring this video and allowing us to share your products with all of you guys. But thanks so much for watching, everybody, and I guess let me know in the comments below, have you ever had a pipe freeze? Because let me tell you, it's not a fun thing, especially when you want hot water but they're frozen and you're like, how does that go together? It doesn't. You're just cold. So VEVOR has a solution for you. But guys, thanks so much for watching. I've been your host, Matthew, and I'll see you guys in the next review. Later.